Welcome
I'm
back
playing
to another
Animal.
video. Today I'm playing Animal Company with my friend. I'll be right back. I just need to get something.
Alright, guys, that guy is stupid. He's a little. No, bro, we can talk about this, bro.
No.
Bro, we can talk about this.
No. No, I'm telling to tickle you.
Please.
I'm coming to tickle you. I'm coming to tickle you. I'm coming to tickle.
Get away! I'm gonna hit you again. Ow! I just hit my own
Put
hand.
your hands up. I will
shoot.
shoot.
Wait. Why would I let go of my stick? It's a weapon. And I can shove it up your ass.
Put your hands up right now.
Yeah. I stabbed you.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. I had dynamite.
You know what?
You need to get out of this.
So do I.
I was in the safe zone.
No!
I was in the safe zone.
Like, if your little kids be like, ooh, candy. Hey, Timmy, there's candy right here. Look, Timmy. Ooh, candy. Touchy, touchy. Ooh, pretty.
Yeah, that's what you. That's what you get, little Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy, how do you are alive?
I'm a grown man now. Where's your mama? Oh, your mom. No, bro, hold up, bro. If you get lost, just listen to the coughing of my cheeks.
Okay.
Yeah, like that, like that. Ugh. Just Yeah. So just. Yeah. Oh my. You know what, bro? I'm gonna do it. You know what? Yo, my battery is low. I'm gonna charge my headset.
Can you charge while you play?
Okay.
Bro.
Oh wait, bro,
Don't
I
put your hands up.
have to do family breakfast. Family breakfast time is right now.
Can you do it in VR?
No, I can't eat in VR.
Well, I'm hitting the gym.
Yeah,
right
bro,
now.
I'll prove that it's real. Look, both of my controllers, I'm still holding them. Yeah, bro, look. Alright, bro, actually, no, I gotta go. Alright, bro, dab me up before I go, bro. Dab me up.
Ah, my controller. 3, 2,
Dab me
1.
up. Alright.
Can
Bro,
you join back
charge
the
your
code?
headset. Oh, what time is it right now?
It's
Bro,
like
is it
8.
10 o'clock for you?
Yeah. Well,
So, bro, join
it's
back
11.
at like 1.
It's 11.
Oh, okay, so just join back at 1, okay?
What? What?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Can you only eat for like 30 minutes? Like eat as fast as you can?
Alright.
Bro, why did you just show your cheeks in my face? You just... Monkey, 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 Receive my friend zone. A boxo. A zello. A zebolo.
Good. I'm making a big kaboom. That's it.
Look what I have. I have this.
Yo, guys.
Good boy.
Wait, guys. Guys.
Boy.
What?
Someone messes with me, I'll do it. Someone messes with me, I'll do it. Guys, you can
Crap.
Alright guys, this is Cooking with Jacob's channel, so give me RPG bullet and I'll show you something funny. Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Cooking with Jacob. Yeah, you're going to cook RPG, I know. I have
shotgun ammo. I have 8 shotgun ammo.
Hello? A boxo?
No, I just died. Can you get my pickaxe?
Oh, yo!
I died. You don't get my...
Wait, guys, it's me. Do you remember me? It's Frosty. Do you remember me from that one time?
You mean when you were getting a bunch of stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, you guys in sewers?
Alpha.
You in sewers?
Yeah, we're at Stewart.
You guys, I found a ruby. Yeah.
You so greedy. You're only going for the resources. I'm only going for
You guys, I found a ruby.
Yeah. Where's the place for the big ball? You might be, but I'm not. Because you're at first part. No.
I gotta go.